Alright, hi guys. I'm here today and I'm going to show you my program that I created. It's also a Google Map scraper, but this time it's a web app and it uses the technology or the library for what you call this Flask. In all the libraries that's what you call this embedded with Flask, that's rendered as underscore yeah, the template, sorry, the template, the requests, JSON, JSONify, all right. And Selenium, of course we need Selenium to scrape the details, and I'm going to scrape for company names, phone numbers, website, and addresses. Okay. In this one, it has numerous file. It has the table.html because we need to have a GUI. We need to have a front end to show, and it has the name, phone, website, and address. Okay, and the GUI or the Python code. It has the Chrome driver. Of course, you have to download the Chrome driver to your to the local drive, and then put it in your system path. Okay, you know more. You know how to do that. It's easy. You just have to go to the system path on your computer, and then just put where your Chrome driver is currently installed. Okay, and aside from that, it has an option to address. Okay, it has an option to let me option to there's a button to click on that starts scraping and export to CSV file. I think it also has an option to send it to Excel sheet or Excel file. Okay, and it will going to put here. It was going to say scrape data.csv. So right now there's no information here that says scrape data.csv file. Okay, and let me show that here right now. Okay. Oh, the styling. We have the styling. Sorry, we have the styling here. I've already put some styling. Okay, it's totally easy. Okay, and yeah, we're going to run the file, and that's going to be Python space maps GUI.py. Okay, the file name, the name the program that we're or the programming language is Python, the file name and the extension. Okay, and then you have to press enter. Okay, now as you can see, usually when you run the app, okay, it will automatically open up a browser, but this time it doesn't. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to copy this address with a port number 500, port 500. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Yep, and then go to Chrome. Okay, and then paste it, enter, and we have our Google Map scraper. Okay, that start scraping, export to CSV. So it's only for CSV file. Okay, that's a company name, column, phone number, website, and address. And also there's a progress bar in here. I haven't done anything about this progress bar. So we're going to scrape the, let's do Montreal, Canada. Okay, and oh, by the way, the Montreal, Canada, we're going to, this is only for example, we're going to scrape for distribution companies in Montreal, Canada, and we exclude some of the terms like jobs, warehouse, freight, recycling, retail, consumer goods. Okay, and then we're going to click on start scraping. So you can see Selenium driver or Selenium browser automatically is installed. I mean open, sorry. Okay, and we're going to go one by one until it reach the end of the search. Okay, of the end of the search result. All right, going to check. That's Molson Core Canada. Let's see. Molson Coors Canada, Montreal Distribution Center. Okay, so you can see it has the phone number. The website doesn't have the website. The first one, the other one, or the number two, three, four, five, six. There is, and it also scraped the website or the address. Okay, you can see it will automatically populate. And let me see if it's still scraping. Yeah, it's still scraping. Okay. Now, once it's done, we're going to try to check if it's going to append another search result. If we're going to do that, if it happens, then yeah, it doesn't work the result, the what you call this, the progress bar. There should be a what you call this, the percentage. As the bar increases, the percent indicator will also going to indicate. Okay, and that's I'm going to to modify, or going to modify the app. Okay, or the code. Sorry. Okay, Jetpack. Okay, Distribution Peaks Inc. Okay, and that's Barber's Factory Distribution. Okay, I'm just going to no, we're not going to click on anything in here. Let the scraper do the scraping part. Okay, but I assure you it will going to append if you're going to search for another query. Okay, it will going to append here on the very bottom of the page. So right now, we're just going to wait until it ends. Okay, okay, it's done. It's done scraping, and we got tons of data in here. So what you can do with it, you can export the data to CSV file. Okay, and then put it somewhere in your what you call this file, and we're going to put it in my, okay, going to be mhm, going to put it here. Mhm. All right, we're going to do it scrape distribution. Okay, let's see. Going to open that up. Okay, it's in here. There's 27. Okay, and if we go back to the file, it's also in here. Right, you will see it in here, and you can scrape as many as you want, and it will just going to append the next search. All right. So thank you for watching the video. Until the next one. Okay.